Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you all are fine. It's your science lesson, and today we'll see that how we can group animals based on their body temperature. We have seen that when we discussed about animals, we cannot study animals randomly because there are so many animals having common features and so many animals having different features. So we can group the animals having common features, and the common features the scientists have decided were based on their skeleton and based on their body temperature. Based on skeleton, we have seen in yesterday's lecture how we can group animals based on their skeleton. We have studied there are two types of skeleton, endoskeleton and exoskeleton. Endoskeleton is present inside the body, like we have endoskeleton. Our skeleton is present inside the body, and the skeleton provides support to the body. Clear? Humans have endoskeleton. Fish have endoskeleton. Animals, birds have endoskeleton. Some insects have a covering outside their body that is called skeleton, that is present outside the body is called exoskeleton. Right? Skeleton that is present inside the body is endoskeleton, and the skeleton that is present outside the body is called exoskeleton. And we have discussed the examples. Today we'll see that how we can divide animals into different groups based on their body temperature. When we say that we are dividing the animals based on their body temperature, it means there are some animals who can maintain their body temperature in any condition. In any temperature, they can maintain their body temperature. Their body temperature will not change, will not be affected by the outer temperature. Clear? And there is another group of animals who will change their body temperature as the external temperature will change. Their body temperature will be changed as the external temperature will change. Right? So there are two types of animals, cold-blooded animals and warm-blooded animals. Cold-blooded animals cannot maintain their temperature. Their body temperature will change as the external temperature will change. So some animals change their body temperature as the temperature around them changes, and these animals are called cold-blooded animals. Examples of cold-blooded animals are some reptiles, amphibians, fish. These are cold-blooded. Amphibians like frog, fish, and reptiles, it can be some snakes or some other animals, as you can see shown in this diagram. Okay, warm-blooded animals are those they can maintain their body temperature. Their body temperature will not change even in cold conditions or in warm conditions or hot conditions. So these animals are known as warm-blooded. Cold-blooded cannot maintain their temperature. Warm-blooded can maintain their temperature. Examples of warm-blooded are birds and humans. There are two examples given in your book, so you have to learn the examples. Examples of warm-blooded are humans and birds. Examples of cold-blooded are amphibians, reptiles, and fish. So now you know about how we can group animals based on their skeleton and based on their body temperature. Okay, it's all for you today's lesson. Allah Hafiz.